you are here, madam.
What is the problem?
Madam, I saw something.
You saw what?
I saw something inside here.
What is something?
Madam, I saw...
Wait. Faith.
Ma.
Did you open this door?
Yes, ma.
Who sent you?
I wanted to drop my stick, madam.
Ever since I stepped my foot to this house, my husband warned me against this door. I have never for once opened this door. Why did you open it?
Madam, I'm sorry, but there's something in there. Madam, I saw a bed with a human head.
How can a bed have human head?
Madam, I'm saying the truth now, madam. Madam, if you're doubting me, check for yourself.
Check.
I'm inside, ma.
Faith,
Ma.